If you want to add overlay to your Capcut, this is the steps you'll be taking to do that. You click on import, you click on the video you would like to have, you pick the video and you bring it down. It can be an image overlay, a picture overlay, you can have the GIF, you can have the video, or even a green screen. I'll be showing you step by step on how to do that. Now, what do we want to do here? What kind of overlay would we like to add? The next step will be learning how to add an image. Now, what do we do? You click on your stickers and you pick an image from here. So let's say this is our image. You just pick the image and drop it here where you have the video. So let's play the video so we can see the image I added.
Traditional website development can be a real headache. It's not just about putting together.
Can you see it? Did you see the image? So this is the image. Now you can see the image is here. You can move the image this way. You can turn the image. Let's say you want to point to this person. You can turn the image this way. Let's say you want to point to the computer. You just still turn it. You can reduce it. You can use scale. You can increase. You can reduce. Okay. So this is how you do it. Let's say you would like to point to the hair of the woman. You can bring it close and then you can point it this way. Also, you can also decide how long you would like this image to appear. For example, if you want the image to appear in a longer way, you just increase it, and if it plays,
Just about putting together a few pages. It's a complex.
you're going to see it shows for a longer time. Okay? Then if you want it to be short, you just make it short. It's going to appear for a longer way as well. You can see it only appear this way. Just click on it to remove that. It only appear this way, you see, and then it disappears. If you want it to be in all the video from beginning to the end, you can just increase it this way. So it's going to show from the beginning of the video to the end. Remember, you can rotate it the way you want. You can rotate it how you would like it to face and where you would like it to point. And then you look for the video you would like to overlay. And you bring that video into your platform. So let's assume this is the video I've brought already into my platform. What do? I pick the video and I drop it here. Okay, and then this is the video. Now you can see that the video is playing on that video. So what do? Let me show you. Look at it, guys. Look at it. You can see that this is two video. So this is how you overlay a video on top of another video. You just bring it down and this video will cover this one. For example, you have a video that you would like to talk about something different from what you're talking about. You put the video here. So by the time this video gets to that point, this one that you dropped as overlay will just take over. Can you see it? That's taking over. It has covered the one on top. Have you seen it? So let me play it so we see. Look at it. So that is how you add overlay. And if it's not positioned well, make sure you position it well. expand it well so it covers the whole screen. So with that, it can play, and when it's done, your video you were playing before will appear and it will continue. People will be seeing this video playing at the side or at the corner. People will be seeing this video playing at the corner of your presentation. So that is how you do a video overlay. So the last one is we using a green screen. You click on this stock materials and you click on trending. When you click on trending, you pick the kind you would like to have. Sometimes when you see people's channel, you see at the end, you just see a green screen that will appear showing something, right? So we're going to be clicking on this green screen. You just bring it down and we'll allow it to play. So this is what will happen. As it's playing, it gets to that green screen. It will now play like this. Can you see it? So for you to remove this green screen, you click on this video, you go to this remove BG. Have you seen it? Then you click on this chroma key here. You click on it. Okay? When you click on it, you click on color picker. You click on it. You click on it. It will show you this color picker. You click on the color picker and then look at it. It has removed the color. Can you see it? So you can also increase the intensity to 100. Okay, you can also leave it this way. All right. You can also move this to where you would like it to be, or you can still leave it this way. So as you're talking, as your video is still on, you will just see it to play this way. When people's video is playing, you just see something like this appear. Look at it. Yeah. So let's watch it one more time. Can you see it? The subscribe button just showed. Look at it. Is it not amazing? Yeah, so this is how you do. So if we play the video again, you will see that the subscribe will just show without the green screen. Is it not amazing? So remember to subscribe. So this is how we add overlay on Capcut. So thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, like, share. Put your comment in the comment section of any other part of Capcut you would like to learn. I'm Alpella and this is Alpella Academy. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye for now.